This simple wig cap is what we're going to use for the afro wig, and this is the extensions. This is the weave on we're going to be using to make the afro wig. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Almost Styles, and you're welcome to this space. Thank you so much for stopping by. And straight up, I just went ahead to open up the weave on, to open up the hair, to be able to start sewing in the extensions. Okay, so I've done that. I've opened it up. The next thing you want to do is to start sewing it on the wig cap. And because I had already prepped my thread, my needle and thread, I don't know if for those that are new into sewing of wig, if it's your first time, just fold the thread into two. Then at the end of the day, it's going to make four. That way it will make this sewing, that's if you're not going to be using a machine, it will make it firmer. Okay, it's not going to like loosen up easily. So that's what I did for the prepping of the needle and thread. I just needed to say that for those that are coming across the process of wigging for the very first time, and you just want to continue sewing your extensions, your weave on. And by the way, if you are seeing my video for the first time, please do not make it your last. Do well to subscribe to the channel. Just kindly hit the red subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button. Just give this video a thumbs up, and then you can as well share to your friends. Okay, so I've gotten to the midpoint of the hair of the wig, so I'm going to just continue the process, but this time around I'm going to do it the one last time, and I'm going to give the afro kinking kind of look. So what I will do is just to ensure that when I get to like close to the front, as you can see, I'll just go ahead and ensure that I just turn it around. Okay, I will just turn the weave on around round the front of the wig cap, like so. I'm just going to go around and then continue the process of sewing this time around. Okay, just keep watching. I believe this video is a very simplified video. If you watch closely, you would understand, and if there's anything you don't understand, you can feel free to take it backwards, rewind. So yeah, I'll just continue the process of sewing in the extension, sewing the weave on round. And if you know already in this channel, I've made a lot of afro wig styles, but this particular one is not the crochet, it's not the ventilating style. So this one is for the sewing, very chilled method, and I feel like this one is easy. I don't know, but just tell me what you think in the comment section. Just tell me if you're going to try it. Okay. So it's getting, I'm almost done with the sewing, so I'll just continue sew it in. But this time you have to be very careful so that you get it right. So you just have to turn gently as you're turning, and you mind you, you're going to be leaving at least an inch while you're sewing. So as you're turning, you're minding the space you're giving in between, and then you just continue um turning it around to while you sew. Okay, so this is how it's currently looking like. I'm already rounding up the sewing process, and I'm going to show you how you're going to seal it up. Just keep watching, you would see how to seal it up and have that seamless finish. Okay. So what you want to do is to just continue sewing in the weave on to the point that the hole becomes so small. All you just need to do is to stitch the hair together like so, as you can see, and then cut out the thread, and voila, you're done. So this is how it's looking like without trimming. I've not trimmed it, so when you wear the wig, you can actually trim it to what you want, to your taste. I love this hair. For the old schools, they would understand how this hair feels like. But trust me, you can still rock this hair if you are a Gen Z, if you are new school that wants to feel like you have this full four-seam natural hair. So here is how I did it. I lost some clip of how the video I made on how to wear this wig. So I'll just show you this one that I saw. So I just pushed it backwards while I wore it, and it was looking as if it grew out from my hair. I didn't push it forward, I pushed it backward a bit such that my edges were showing, and it was looking real. Thank you guys